Alright, so here's a question which came in the year 2014 in the JEE mains exam. A student measured the length of a rod and wrote it as 3.50 centimeters. 3.50 centimeters. You can see that the measurement is written up, corrected up to 2 decimal places, right? So what must be the least count of this instrument? 0.01 centimeters. That should be the least count of this, right? Now, if this is the least count, which of these instruments, a meter scale, a vernier caliper, or a screw gauge, given below, have the same least count? If you're able to find that, you will have your answer. So let's check out. If you're comfortable with millimeters, you can do millimeters. So these many centimeters is same as 0.1 millimeters, isn't it? Now a meter scale, the least count of that is 1 mm, not 0.1 mm. A vernier caliper where 10 divisions in the vernier scale matches 9 division in the main scale, the least count for this is 0.1 mm. So this would be the answer. Your answer would be option 2. We don't need to look at the other options. Anyway, I'll quickly tell you the least count for the third one would be 0.01 mm. Whereas for the fourth one, since it has only 50 divisions in the circular scale, the least count would be 0.02 mm. You can calculate it using the formula. Okay, but I'll calculate at least the least count for the vernier caliper here. The least count of the vernier caliper having where 10 divisions in the vernier scale match with 9 divisions in the main scale. Least count we saw 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. 1 main scale division, everyone knows that's 1 mm. And what is 1 vernier scale division then? It's 0.9 mm. Or 10 vernier scale division match up with 9 main scale divisions. So you can say 1 vernier scale division is 9 upon 10 main scale division, which is 0.9 mm. That's how I wrote this 0.9 mm. Okay, so this gives you 0.1 mm. So from here also you can see this device is what they are using, a vernier caliper. Okay, so that's our answer. Let's move on to the next question. This question came in the year 2011 in the IITian exam. Today, what is called the JEE mains exam. Okay, a screw gauge gives the following reading when used to measure the diameter of a wire. So main scale reading is very easy, it's given. Circular scale reading is also given to us. That means 52nd division of the circular scale coincides with the baseline of the main scale. It is given that 1 millimeter on the main scale corresponds to 100 divisions on the circular scale. So let's calculate the least count of screw gauge. This is equal to pitch by number of divisions, the total number of divisions on the circular scale. Least count of the screw gauge is equal to pitch. 1 millimeter is the pitch. Total number of divisions 100. So the least count is 0.01 millimeters. Okay, and how do we calculate the total reading? Total reading is equal to main scale reading plus the circular scale reading, isn't it? Now the main scale reading, it's given as 0 mm, so let's put that down, 0 mm. Circular scale reading is the least count multiplied by the number of division which is coinciding, so 52 in this case. So 0 plus least count is 0.01 into 52. These many millimeters. These many millimeters, right? So this is 0.52 millimeters. That's your answer. But wait, do not mark the answer yet because the answer is given or the options are given in centimeters. 0.52 millimeters is 0.052 centimeters. So that would be option number 3. It's your answer. Let's try one more question. This question appeared in the JEE mains exam. To help you look at the option, you can take a quick look. Diameter of a steel ball is measured using a vernier caliper, which has division of 0.1 centimeter on its main scale. Okay, that means 1 millimeters, and 10 divisions on its vernier scale. Match 9 divisions on the main scale. We've already seen this. The least count of this vernier caliper is going to come out as 0.1 millimeters. 3 such measurements are taken for the ball. Zero error is also given here, and the mean corrected diameter is corrected, that means corrected for the zero error. So true value is equal to measured value minus the zero error. Remember, we're going to use this formula for reading number 1. The true value, or true value 1, is equal to the measured value. Measured value is main scale reading 0.5 plus least count, that is 0.01 in centimeters. I'm writing the least count. Okay, this is 0.1 is 0.01 centimeters. That's the least count. So 0.01 multiplied by this 8 minus, how much is the zero error? Minus 0.03. So minus 0.03. This will give you a value. Similarly, you would calculate 2 other values for the other 2 readings. Let's quickly calculate this. 0.5 plus 0.08 plus 0.03. That is 0.11, which is equal to 0.61. Second reading, true value, the second true value would be, again, main scale reading is 0.5 plus 0.01 multiplied by 4 plus 0.03. This is equal to 0.57. 0.57. And the third reading would be, the true value 3 would be 0.5 plus 0.01 multiplied by 6 here plus 0.03. This gives you, all these readings, remember, are in centimeters. So we have 0.59. So this value, and this value. We got 3 different values of diameters. These are all corrected values, but we have to find the mean corrected value. That means we have to find the average of these 3 readings. So your answer is going to be 0.61 plus 0.57 plus 0.59 upon 3. This will give you the answer. This is 1.77 by 3, which is equal to 0.59. These many centimeters, right? 0.59 centimeters. Now let's check out which option is this. This is option number B. So that's the answer. If you are in class 11th and 12th, you would also get a chance to play with these instruments in your lab.